Let's make something out of nothing. Today we have some crab and shrimp stuffed shells. This is one of those recipes where if you want to impress somebody, you whip this out. Or honestly, if you want to impress yourself, you can do that too. Let's get into it. So first, to some shrimp, we're going to season that with some salt and black pepper. Then hit that with some onion powder. Throw on some paprika and finish it with some garlic powder. Add that to a hot pan. Cook it for a couple minutes until the shrimp looks something like this. And then set those to the side. We're gonna make this a little healthy by adding some sauteed spinach to the recipe. Go ahead and set that to the side. When it's done cooking, to the same pan, adding some garlic paste, the same seasoning from the shrimp, throw in some heavy cream, bring that to a simmer, and then throw in your cheese. That's your Alfredo sauce. Now for the filling, we're gonna add ricotta cheese to the shrimp, throw in the sauteed spinach, hit it with the same seasoning from the shrimp again, throw in your lump crab meat. Now go ahead and fill up your stuffed shells, add some Alfredo sauce to the bottom of your baking dish, stuff those bad boys up, some more Alfredo sauce on top, hit it with the cheese, bake it until it's golden brown, and that's it. All right, y'all.